excitedly. Hey there, folks. Welcome to the world of AI, or as I like to call it, artificial intelligence for the wise and wonderful. Yep, that means you. Today we're diving into AI, making it simple, fun, and maybe even a little magical. But don't worry, no robots taking over your knitting club. Yet. Winks. Let's get started. And before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Okay, so what is AI really? It's not some sci-fi robot that's going to steal your recipe for the world's best cookies. Pauses. Though, if it did, I'd ask for the secret ingredient. Links. AI, short for artificial intelligence, is like a super smart helper that can understand, learn, and solve problems, just like us. Think of it like that one grandkid who helps you with your phone. It figures things out quickly, and sometimes it knows what you need even before you do. You might not know it, but AI is already in your life. Dramatic gasp. Yep, right in your pocket, in your phone, and even in your TV remote. Ever asked Siri or Alexa for help? That's AI in action. Let's try it out. Say, Alexa, tell me a joke.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Laughing. See? Even Alexa has a sense of humor, though I bet yours is better. AI is here to help you, whether it's setting reminders, showing you cat videos, or even controlling the lights in your house. And it does all this because it learns from you. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your needs. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the tea breaks. Okay, so how does AI work? Let's break it down. Nice and easy, like making a cup of tea. AI learns by processing lots of information, kind of like how you learn a new card game by watching others play. It looks for patterns and figures out the best way to solve problems. But instead of taking years of experience like we do, it does this in seconds. But unlike us trying to learn bridge, smiles, AI never forgets. It takes everything it learns and uses it to get better, faster, and more helpful. It's like the grandkid who learns all your favorite recipes after watching you cook once. Now here's the best part. AI is not just for tech-savvy whiz kids. It's for you too. Want to talk to your grandkids without needing to type on that tiny phone keyboard? AI's got you covered. Try voice to text. Just talk, and the AI will type for you. It's like having your own personal secretary.
Wow, that's amazing. I can just talk and it types for me.
Absolutely. Need help finding a great recipe or keeping track of your medicine? AI can do that too. It's like having a digital friend that never forgets a thing. And the best part? No tech degree required. You just talk, tap, or type a little, and it does the rest.
This is fantastic. I can't wait to try it out.
So why should you care about AI? Because it's not just the future, it's the now. Whether you want to stay connected, learn new things, or make life just a little easier, AI is here for you. And no, you don't have to be a computer genius. You just have to be curious. Think of AI like a trusty sidekick, ready to help you live your best, most independent life.
I'm starting to see how useful this can be.
It's incredible how much easier things can get with a bit of AI.
I was skeptical at first, but this really does sound helpful.
Count me in. I'm ready for this AI adventure.
Let's do this together.
So, my wonderful friends, AI isn't something to be afraid of. It's like adding a dash of magic to your daily routine. You've seen it in action today, and now you can embrace it with confidence. Give it a try. Who knows? Maybe your next favorite hobby will be chatting with your smart fridge? Chuckles. Just kidding? Maybe. AI for the wise and wonderful. The future is yours. Thanks for watching. Now go impress your grandkids with your AI knowledge. And who knows, maybe teach a thing or two. Subscribe for more fun tech tips.